I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a dedicated notebook called Journal and a section for today's context. This isolates entries and speeds search. Next, add a reusable page template with a date header, mood/status line, and a small quick entry table for bullets. Once done, enable OneDrive sync and offline access so entries save instantly across devices. Make sure to pin the journal notebook to your sidebar for one-tap access, because that frictionless entry habit is the single biggest factor in consistency. You now capture and structure content intentionally. Start each entry with a clear timestamp and a short summary line, then flesh out with bullets or paragraphs. Use OneNote tags, important, idea, task, to mark actionables and review points. Tags make later filtering fast. Incorporate voice notes, screenshots, and handwritten ink for nuance. Place images inline and add captions. Once you have several related entries, group them with subpages or internal links to create topical clusters that accelerate retrieval and reflection. You finish by turning raw notes into outcomes. Schedule a weekly review where you query tags and convert insights into concrete tasks or projects. Export or back up the notebook monthly as PDF or a OneNote package so you have external copies. For maintenance, compact large image-heavy pages and archive old sections into an archive notebook. If sync or duplicates appear, force a manual sync, verify OneDrive storage and sign in, and if needed, clear OneNote cache. This resolves most common sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.